Right, so S21, S21 Hydro, S21 Pro, S21 XP, S21 XP Hydro, S21 IMM, S21 XP IMM, S21 EXP Hydro, and now S21 Plus. Welcome back to OneMiners. I'm Lucas and today we are unboxing the Bitmain Antminer S21 Plus because apparently Bitmain looked at their lineup and said, you know what, not enough of S21. At this point I'm pretty sure there are more S21 variants than there are people in my family. Let's find out if this one is actually worth your attention or if Bitmain just trolling us at this point. Okay, let's talk why does S21 exist. You have a S21 base, the original one with 200 terahash, 17.5 joules per terahash plus S21 Hydro, the original pair. Next, there were some updates at 2024. There was S21 Pro, of course, professional S21 XP, then S21 XP Hydro. Of course, you need Hydro when you have a S21. Then we have a S21 IMM, that stands for immersion cooling. It's a submarine. Then we have a S21 XP IMM, again for immersion, but more power. This is actually deep diver of S21. Then we have a S21 EXP Hydro, which is economical variant of S21. Somehow cheaper, somehow it works. It works out. Then there is new kind, S21 Plus. And of course, S21 Plus Hydro. Yeah, because that's all you need. Total 10 plus variants of S21. See what happened here? The S21 Plus sits right in the middle. It's basically Bitmain saying, hey, you want more hash rate than the base S21? But you are not ready to commit to the Pro or XP pricing? We got you. Rumor has it Bitmain ordered way too many chips from TSMC. So instead of sitting on inventory, they just keep making new models. Let's talk numbers this time. I will make it fun, or at least I'm gonna try. 235 terahash. That's 235 trillion hashes per second. Your brain can't even comprehend that number. Basically 3.5 kilowatt. About 3 space heaters running at full blast, 15.2 joules per terahash. That's actually better than the S21 Pro. In some configuration, the Pro is tuned more aggressively, which means it runs hotter and can throttle in warm environments. Alright, enough talking. Let's open this bad boy and let's find out what's inside. You know, this one had a tough life of shipping around the world. It has some experience. So, standard Bitmain packaging. Here it is, S21 Plus in all its beauty. In this packaging, there is original Bitmain to C19 cable. Very useful if you are having professional PDU at your home or on hosting. And here it is, the S21 Plus. Look exactly like every other S21. We got your Ethernet port, micro USB, reset button, IP report button, and 2 nice LEDs. One fan, second fan, third fan, fourth fan. Right over here, this is power source. You can see another 3 fans on power source. Inside, there are 3 hash boards, each packed with those beautiful BM1370 BC chips. Same 5nm process as the Pro and XP version. The question everyone wants answered. Does this thing print money? Yes. We have some profitability calculator. So, home mining. You are going to make about 10 bucks a day, with daily power cost about 10.27 bucks a day. The equipment is about 2,400 US dollars. Daily profit 0.27 USD, that's 27 cents basically, negative. On average hosting 7 cents per kilowatt hour, you're gonna have around $10 daily revenue. Daily power cost is about $5.99. That's something you got to pay. The equipment has the same price. The resulting daily profit is about $4 per day. That's $122 a month. That's decent. That's actually nice. The machine by itself will pay in about 620 days. That's reasonable. It can pay for itself and it can make more money over the time. Next, take a look for OneMiners hosting. 5 cents per kilowatt hour. You can make same $10 a day, maybe a little more. With smart AI mining, daily power cost is around $4 27 cents and daily profit is $5 73 cents. That's great model. The lesson is clear. Same miner, same hash rate, different hosting, different returns. Here is brutal truth. If you are paying residential electricity rates 10, 12, 15 cents per kilowatt hour, this miner will lose your money every single day. But if you got access to cheap power, I'm talking 5 to 7 cents, suddenly you are making 150 to 175 USD a month at current Bitcoin prices. That's not bad at all. This is why hosting exists. This is why OneMiners exists. Don't mine at home. Don't be that guy. Speaking of which, let me save you from yourself. OneMiners.com. Your S21 Plus deserves better power. We've got S21 on stock. We've got a hosting starting at under 5 cents per kilowatt hour. We've got facilities in 8 countries, 0% management fees. You pay for your power, you keep your Bitcoin. That's it. And here is a kicker, 7-year warranty, 7 years. If this thing breaks, we've got you covered. Try getting that from anyone else. Can drop 2.5 grand right now? Okay, they got you. 25% down, rest in quarantine payments, start mining immediately, pay as you go. Link in the description, don't mine at home. Let us handle the infrastructure. Let's find out everything about this machine. Now, what we've got here? The scale. I can tell you it's pretty heavy from my personal experience. I can see, so slightly over 21 kilograms. That's heavy. That's actually heavy. Let's measure it. So overall, it's 44.5 centimeters, so 218 millimeters wide and about 295 millimeters tall. These fans are 14 centimeters. This beauty decided to make more noise and it's running with 14 centimeters fans. We're gonna measure some noise, figure out how much electricity it's going to consume, and yeah, that's it. Since it's still starting, it's not heating hashboards, it's consuming about 34 watts just by control board and some fans. So, good enough for now. We need to wait a little till it boot up. Okay, about 90. So, this is about the experience with industrial miner. We still don't have any hash rate. It's just starting hashing on all hash boards. So it will take in between 10 to 15 minutes to start up, and we are consuming 2.5 kilowatts. Over the time, the miners start heat up, hash boards are going to normalize the frequency for optimal performance. It will basically start scream all the hashes in the world. You know, if you need to heat some garage or try out something, this is your toy. Yeah, this is your thing for such job. Wow, it's heating. It's working. Let's measure it. It's basically calibrating itself to environment. So we are, the fans are around 4,500 RPM. Okay, now it's working. Now, real-time experience. We have about 37 degrees on outlet, and miner is running around 10 meters per second of airflow. That's actual speed of movement. So yeah, and we are on 235 terahash per second. So this is normal operation and we are basically on stock with all parameters. We are draining 3900 watts, which is a lot. So, the final verdict on the S21 Plus Pros. Solid efficiency, 15.2 joules per terahash. Better thermal tolerance than S21 Pro. Same chips as the flagship models. Good price to performance ratio. Cons, it's loud. Need cheap power to be profitable? Parts of Bitmain's confusing S21 army. Okay, who is it for? Miners who want mid-tier performance? People with access to 5 to 7 cents per kilowatt hour, rating 7.5 of 10. So, is it the best S21? No, that's XP. Is it the most efficient one? No, also the XP. But is it a solid, reliable miner at a reasonable price that won't throw the tantrum in less than a perfect condition? It actually is. This is the one. S21 Plus is a Honda Accord of Bitcoin miners. Not flashy, not fastest, but it will show up every time. Do its job and not complain. Sometimes that's exactly what you need. If this video helped you understand the absolutely insane S21 lineup, smash that like button, subscribe for more mining content, honest reviews, real numbers, drop a comment which S21 do you have? Or are you still trying to figure out the difference between all of them? Join the club! I'm Lucas from OneMiners. Keep stacking that sats and see you in the next one!